Is now the best time to buy a property, or should you wait for prices to come down? I want to give you 3 data points and then you can make your own conclusions. Starting with interest rates, inventory, and new construction. So as you already know, interest rates are hanging around 7 and 7.5%, and Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve have already notified that it may go up a couple more times before the end of 2023. So the interest rates you are seeing now, even though you may think they are high, they could be even higher later on. Number 2, inventory. Right now we're sitting about 3.5 months of inventory left for single family and townhomes, where we should be anywhere from 6 to 7 months of inventory left. And what does this mean? It means that if today no other property goes up for sale, new construction or resale, everything would have sold in 6 to 7 months. That is what a balanced real estate market should be at, which, by the way, a balanced real estate market appreciates anywhere from 3 to 5% year over year. And right now we're sitting at about 3.3 months of inventory left of single family and townhomes, and 5 months of inventory left for condos. And lastly is new construction. The amount of permits that are submitted in the county at this time are way below the amount of buyers in the market looking to buy. So developers cannot keep up with the demand for properties in Miami-Dade County. If you are thinking of buying a property and you can afford a monthly payment and down payment today, I highly suggest that you go ahead and buy it. And then later on, when rates do come down 2-3 years from now, you can refinance it and get a lower mortgage payment and get the best of both worlds, the best price, and then in the future, you'll also get a good rate. Any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.